Started, remember to like and subscribe. Hello, right there, whoever's watching this. Thank you so much. Oh, not thanks. So we're gonna be making this slime. We're gonna be making clear slime. This channel is gonna be about making slime. So the thing is that you have to add 1 cup of water to boil. Then add 1 teaspoon of borax, and then mix, and then use warm water. Don't forget that. And then add 1/2 cup of clear into bowl. So I have it right over here, and my box right over here with warm water. And then add one half cup of water into glue mix. I already did that too. And then add borax mixture into glue. Use your hand to mix. So let's do that. Just add 2. So first of all, you're gonna need borax, this, some, of course, the glue, a ball, a spinning tool, and that's everything, and your hands. So let's make it our hands. And it should form instantly. So it's already forming. This looks like this is gonna be sticky. Sticky stushy. So there's already forming. I wonder if I even added 2. I think I didn't. Oh, and this is super clear and super cool. Oh my god. This is super duper nice. You could stretch it, make a ball with it, and bounce it. Okay, it didn't bounce that well. Okay, I'm not kidding, but this one, it's better than that one. This one's much more stretcher. Let's get the other one. This one's not stretchy. Super hard. Really white. This one's not that white. Super clear. Super good. Starting to get white, but it's still super good. And so it doesn't work. What is it called? So it doesn't get dried up. Put it in a Ziploc bag. That won't let it dried up. And I'm gonna leave this slime for some days so I could make better and play with it. And I'm a new YouTuber, so I hope you guys subscribe. I wanna hit 1,000 subscribers, and maybe like in 30 days, a whole month, in 4 weeks. In 4 weeks, yeah. Actually, not in 4 weeks, until it takes that much. I want this video to end up for 100 likes. If this ends up with 100 likes, you're gonna I'm gonna make a fluffy slime. And much better slime than this. So, remember to, oh my gosh, remember to like and subscribe and click the bell of notifications, so every time when I make a new video you guys could check my video. And yeah, so I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I think that's everything. Bye.